The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ford County in northern Texas, northern Knox County in northern Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Benjamin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles as expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crowell, Benjamin, Thalia, Truscott, Gilliland, Margaret, and Copper Breaks State Park. Precautionary/preparedness actions: prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size: 1.25 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust: 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.